So my name is Pravesh Bansal and I belong to Siliguri, West Bengal, a place which rarely people know. So I did my schooling from Delhi Public School, Siliguri, which is located in West Bengal again. So as my school life started, my school life was very simple and very normal. I was not like a guy who is like very good in studies or something. My school life used to be like I got up in the morning, took up my school bag and went to school. And after going to school, nothing, sitting in the class, either sitting normally, quietly, or creating some nuisance in the class. Always involved in some of the nuisance, never going for something nice, never going to take some exposure. We have many exposure opportunities in the school, but never got involved in any of the activities, either creating one of the nonsense. If in the whole of the school, any nuisance is created, I have to be there. I have to be there, either as a leader or as a partner, I have to be there in those nuisance. So my schooling went on for the same long 12 years. Now came the time for class 12. Now I'd like to share this experience. Many of you will not believe. In class 12, I was suspended for 20 times. 20 long times I was suspended in my class 12. So now before the boards began, now boards happened in the month of March. I literally started in the studying in the month of February. Studying a month before, I scored 81%, not more. As I received my report card, my dad was like, see, this is your report card. I hand it over to you. You can go to any part of India wherever you find good college. Good college. You cannot go to any college you want. It should be a good college. Take admission if you get a good college. I was like, okay, let's see. But mind it, I won't give you any money which is under the table. I won't give any black money, any money which forces you to get admission forcefully in a good college. I went over many colleges, I found many colleges. Then I found Sri Sri University. There's a famous quote by Tomislav Gogo. No matter how long you wait, the right will always come for you. And that right came for me in the form of Sri Sri University, Cuttack. It was a life-changing time for me. That has proved to be the turning point of my life. That was the turning point. Sri Sri University has actually proved to be the turning point of my life. A boy who in his school life never got any exposure. I never holded off the mic anytime. Never went for any extracurricular activities. Always I told involved in all kind of nuisance. As I came to see the campus, the first step I took into this campus, I was like, yes, this is the place. I have to stay here. I have to make my life in Sri Sri University. Now, starting off, this was the first event we started off. Independence Day, the 17th Independence Day, we have started off. After Independence Day, going to third convocation in the presence of Gurudev. Now, I would like to share one of my experiences in convocation. I was made to work in the hospitality team and the security team. While I was made to work in the hospitality team, I was leading all the 4 hostels we have. So I was literally getting phone calls. Hello, is this Pravesh? I was like, yes. Listen, the flush for SB4 is not working. Listen, there are no bed sheets in the hostel. I was like, am I meant for this? Am I there to treat all the toilets and all? So I was like, if I would get this call during my school time, I would have not given any shit to it. I would have not served for it. But now coming to this college, getting exposure with an eagerness to work, I was like, yes, I need to serve this. I have taken the responsibility. I need to serve this. I am the one who will serve this. After that, moving to the Olympics, that was the first time I holded off the mic in this university, sitting in the commentary box, sharing the mic right with Sandeep sir. That is a great opportunity to sitting with Sandeep sir and sharing the commentary box. After that, going to Good Governance Conclave, meeting up with great high-profile officers, IAS officer, paper presenters, that actually helped me to build my soft skills, my personality in all ways. Now, moving on to Orion, this was the biggest breakthrough I got in my life in Sri Sri University. The boy who means I always feared to speak in public. I could not even speak in front of 2 people. Now, this time in Orion, I did the anchoring for the Spandan, I did anchoring for the Pro Night. And this was the way that means of exposure, like, yes, I can speak in front of people. I am eligible that, yes, I can speak. Now, in the Orion, I work for the sponsorship team with a bunch of my super seniors all sitting here. I work for the sponsorship team. I had experience, I went one of my seniors to Uber, the taxi service. We went for sponsorship. So he was like, why shall I provide you sponsorship when in Sri Sri University only Uber comes and only and only Auto comes. No Ola service is there. In Odisha, only Uber provides you service. 90% Uber is there. So he was like, why should I burn more money in providing you sponsorship? There's no point providing you sponsorship. So we were like, okay. We had to talk to Ola also. Let's see now. Now, as we left, speaking that we had to talk to Ola, he was like, okay. As he spoke the word out Ola, he had a glimpse in his mind that they'll go to Ola, that will be a target for me. So as we were leaving, he was like, अच्छा सुनो, मेरे को एक proposal दे देना. Let's see, एक proposal दे देना. We had a glimpse in his mind now. They'll go to Ola and that will be a competition for me. So we were like, no, sir, you are not interested. Why should I give you a proposal also? You're not interested, literally. Like, नहीं मेरे को एक proposal दे देना. After that, we did not give him a proposal. We did not went to him. Still, Ola gave us the sponsor. Ola was the sponsor in Orion 17. Ola now has started service in Shush University. It has started service in this side. It has just started the service, not in full flow, but yes, it has started the service. Now, moving on to internship experience. My first internship I got in the month of December. That is the Climber. It is an IIM Bangalore incubated company. IIM Bangalore, the Climber company, they are an educational company, educational startup. They provide workshops. They have 25 plus topics, including photography, entrepreneurship, basic app development, graphic design, and many more. Like for photography, there are many mentors. The most experienced mentor, the mentor for the photography, he is the official photographer for Mood Indigo, the IIM Mumbai Festival. And he's also the official photographer for Fashion Work that is showed in MTV. And for entrepreneurship, we have two mentors. Both the mentors are TEDx speakers. So I had worked as a marketing and sales intern for Climber. So my work was to convince students that yes, you can go and experience the workshop. After the completion of the workshop, the students would get a certificate of workshop that would have an IIM Bangalore logo, and that is very precious. And they would also get an LOR. Now the thing the students had to do is they had to pay 1,000 rupees. Now the challenge I faced while convincing students that yes, you can go, they were like, why should I pay 1,000 rupees just for getting a certificate and LOR? I can easily go for some online free workshops they can provide us. So the point that I got for convincing was, we have an IIM event recently in a university. I'll not name the branch. They promised the students to teach them digital marketing in just 2 days. Now, speaking very practically, who can learn digital marketing in 2 days? No one can learn digital marketing in 2 days. So that was the point, and students had gone there paying 1,000 rupees. So that was the point, convincing when you can go and pay 1,000 rupees just learning digital marketing in 2 days, and even you know you cannot learn that thing. And as they and the IIM Bangalore, the Climber, they're providing you a 30 days workshop, each day an hour and 4 days a week. Obviously, this is feasible, and that is feasible. Obviously, people would come for Climber. And yes, I worked 1 month for the Climber, and I gave them a sale of 11,000. And after that, they had a condition that if I give them 5 sales in a month, I get the certificate of internship. And if I give them 10 plus, then I get the LOR. And yes, I got the LOR. This is the letter of recommendation that I received from the company. That is a condition that I give 10 plus sales and I get an LOR. After that, I started working for Bunic.com. Bunic.com, it's a footwear startup. It's an IIT Kanpur incubated company. The alumni of IIT Kanpur have started this company. They promote artists. They want artists to come up and they want them to paint up in the canvas shoes. Their specialization in canvas shoes. They want artists to come up and submit their designs so that they get paint up in the canvas shoes, and if they like the design, they are paying you. And if the design is pretty normal and they don't find it so convincing, they'll put it up in the website. If they like it, if the shoe is sold, you're paid of some amount. You're paid a certain percentage of the total sale. No. Started working for both the internships was a different experience, like going and convincing people, marketing, like people are here. When I used to come, many people they saw me दूर से, they were like, यार फिर आ गया पकाने के लिए, फिर कुछ बेचने के लिए आ गया, फिर से कुछ बेचने के लिए आ गया. I was like, let me come, let me talk. And yes, being working in 2 internships, I already worked for one. Working for the second one, I think I have not achieved that I wanted, not achieved till where I wanted to go. But yes, I have achieved something that I wanted. I remember one of the quotes, like, walk in the street that you've never walked before. I was never meant for all this. If I would see my school life, I was never meant for all this. I did not want any time to go into all these things. But yes, I came to Shish University. I had, if anyone say that what was the biggest successful thing that you have done in your life, what is the best decision? The best decision for me was to coming to Shish University, Cuttack. That gave me a lot of exposure. Coming to this university, I would have been in some places of like Mumbai, Delhi, Pune. I would have been like, that time the school was nuisance, I would have taken away the whole college away. I would have taken away the whole college literally. So this time coming to this, now I can remember one of the quotes I saw in a TEDx talks by Varun Agarwal. I hope everybody knows him, the co-founder of AlmaMatter.in. He says, do everything one in a day that fears you. Do everything a day that fears you. That will help you to rise off a fear. Like if I get fear, I was feared of speaking of the mic. I never came off the mic. I tried sitting in Olympics, taking the mic, sitting in the commentary box. I started for a day, started sitting in cricket match. Then it was like, Pravesh, cricket khatam ho gaya, now go for basketball. Basketball, go for volleyball. It was like, okay, starting off, going one, day two, day three. Now every time I'm like, yes, I want something. I want something to do. I meet my MBA friends many times. So they are like, many of them recognizing me as a third year student. They're like, you're a third year student, right? I'm not third year, I'm first year student. No, I see many times every event you're holding off the walkie-talkie and going off everywhere, moving around. I'm first year student. Like, no, we thought that you're a third year student holding off the walkie-talkie, taking such responsibilities. That yes, this responsibility which I'm taking today, the pressure that I'm taking today, is all because of Shish University that I got the opportunity to take off this. This is the exposure which I got. I totally thank Shish University that gave me such an opportunity, exposure. And I totally like, if I studying in first year, I completed just a year. If I can do, I'm not saying that I've achieved everything. I've achieved something and I have a lot more to go. I have a long way to go. I have a long way to go. I have a lot more to achieve. Just not even a year I've completed. I have more 2 years to go in Shish University. Like everybody, many of my batchmates sitting here, my juniors, my seniors, my superiors, everybody can go to my level. I'm not like this, yes, I'm the boss. Only I can do, no one, everybody can do. It's like a motivation, like everybody should be motivated, like you can do, many of my friends can also do everything. The reach level I have reached, everybody can reach up to that level. Not only my level, they can go above me. So I just want to like, yes, everybody of us can do. The past is not the future. Like whatever I've done in the past, that is not my future. I just not be doing that. I can take a decision in the present that can obviously improve my future. So that's all. Thank you.